Have you ever wondered why our parents and grandparents wrapped so many traditional African meals in fresh plantain leaves instead of plastics? From delicious kwacoco Bible, egusi pudding, koki corn, koki beans, and many other local dishes, plantain leaves have been part of African cooking for generations. They weren't chosen simply because they were available. They were valued because they protected the food. They added a subtle natural aroma and connected people to nature in a way that modern packaging simply cannot. Today, however, many of these same foods are wrapped in plastic bags or synthetic wrappers before being steamed. While this may seem more convenient, heating certain plastics can allow unwanted chemicals to migrate into food, especially if the plastic is not designed for cooking. Returning to natural wrapping methods is not only a way of preserving our rich culinary heritage, but can also be a healthier choice. One of the reasons plantain leaves are so special is that they naturally contain beneficial plant compounds, including antioxidants known as polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds help protect the plant, and research suggests that when food is steamed in fresh plantain leaves, small amounts of these natural compounds may come in contact with the food. Plantain leaves also have natural antimicrobial properties. This means they contain compounds that can help slow the growth of certain microorganisms, which is one reason our ancestors trusted them to wrap and protect food long before we had refrigerators. If you've ever eaten kwacoco Bible, egusi pudding, or another traditional meal wrapped in plantain leaves, you've probably noticed the wonderful aroma. As the food cooks, the leaves release natural fragrant compounds that gives the meal a rich, earthy flavor that plastic can never. Another benefit is that plantain leaves help keep food moist and tender. They trap in the steam during cooking, allowing the food to cook gently without drying out. This is one of the secrets behind the soft texture and delicious taste of many traditional African dishes. Using plantain leaves also reduces direct contact between hot food and plastic. Some plastics are not designed to withstand high cooking temperatures and may release unwanted chemicals into food when heated. Choosing fresh plantain leaves provides a natural alternative that has been trusted for generations. Plantain leaves are also kind to the environment, unlike plastic wrappers. These wrappers can remain in the environment for many years. Plantain leaves are completely biodegradable. After use, they naturally decompose and return to the soil, helping to reduce plastic waste. Perhaps one of the greatest benefits is that using plantain leaves keeps our traditions alive. Every time we wrap our food the way our parents and grandparents did, we preserve a part of our culture and pass it on to the next generation. Sometimes the healthiest solutions are not the newest ones. They are the simple traditions that have stood the test of time. So the next time you're preparing kwacoco Bible, egusi pudding, or any steamed delicacy, consider reaching for fresh plantain leaves. Your food will not only taste amazing, but you'll also be preserving a beautiful African tradition that has served our communities for generations. Thank you for watching this video on the Life Giving Foods segment. We have many other videos where we talk about the health benefits of foods that we can find on a daily basis in our kitchens. Do well to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video on this channel. Bye.